Albert Einstein, born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany, was raised in an unremarkable Jewish household. Despite showing extraordinary talent in mathematics and science from a young age, his early life was marked by the ordinary routines of childhood. Pursuing his studies in Switzerland, he enrolled at the Zurich Polytechnic, where he delved into the study of physics. After his education, Einstein continued his research while working at the Swiss Patent Office. In 1905, Einstein experienced what is now known as his annus mirabilis, or miracle year. While employed at the Patent Office, he published 4 groundbreaking papers, including his theory of special relativity and the famous equation E equals mc squared, which revolutionized physics. This marked a turning point in his life, elevating him from a mere researcher to a world-renowned scientist. Although Einstein found joy in the recognition his theories received, the rise of Nazism brought great turmoil into his life. The Nazi regime rejected his work due to his Jewish heritage, causing him profound disappointment and anxiety. At this juncture, Einstein wrestled with the decision of whether to leave his homeland, Germany. Before making such a pivotal choice, Einstein consulted with several fellow scientists, including physicists like Niels Bohr, who played a significant role in his decision to emigrate to the United States. Even after leaving Europe, Einstein maintained connections with colleagues who supported his continued research and helped him navigate his new life. By 1933, with the Nazis in power, Einstein resolved to leave Germany, seeking refuge in the United States. He settled at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, where his life took on a new direction, facing the challenges of an immigrant far from his native land. As Einstein continued his work in America, World War II erupted. Although deeply concerned about the development of nuclear weapons, he feared that Germany might succeed in creating an atomic bomb first. This fear led him to write a letter to President Roosevelt, urging the commencement of what would become the Manhattan Project. There, Einstein collaborated with scientists like Robert Oppenheimer, Enrico Fermi, and Richard Feynman, united in the monumental task of developing nuclear technology. The progress of the Manhattan Project stirred deep inner conflict within Einstein. He was gravely concerned about the potential impact of nuclear weapons on humanity. After the war, he was overwhelmed with guilt over the devastation caused by these weapons and became even more committed to advocating for world peace. The dropping of atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki shocked Einstein to his core. He viewed the letter he had sent to Roosevelt as a catalyst for these horrific events and became a vehement opponent of nuclear weapons. This experience steered him firmly onto the path of pacifism. In the aftermath, Einstein actively used his influence to campaign for nuclear disarmament and global peace. Collaborating with the International Federation of Scientists, he sought to spread a message of peace worldwide, a legacy as significant as his scientific contributions. Throughout his later years, Einstein remained steadfast in his belief that science should serve humanity. He traveled extensively, delivering lectures and advocating for peace. Yet, he could never return to his homeland. He spent his final years in the United States, devoted to science and humanitarianism. Albert Einstein passed away in Princeton in 1955, having never relinquished his commitment to research and peace until his final moments. His legacy endures, not only in the realm of science but also as a profound influence on humanity. Einstein's achievements and ideals continue to symbolize the pursuit of knowledge and peace, inspiring countless individuals around the globe. Thus, Einstein's life, when viewed through the lens of Harman's 8-step storytelling structure, reveals his challenges, alliances, and deep human struggles, with the relationships he forged during the Manhattan Project playing a pivotal role in his journey.
The first rule of channel is subscribe channel. Second rule of channel is click like. This channel will make you smart.